The Boating Adventure, channel update number 163. Well, a very good day to you. It is Thursday the 23rd of April 2026 and it's St George's Day, so happy St George's Day. We are currently back in the Manifold Valley and we're about to visit Thor's Cave that we didn't get to the last time we came to explore the Manifold River. So we're going to get hopefully some nice footage of Thor's Cave. We've actually come back on a beautiful day. The sun is shining and it's really quite warm. That's a bonus. So this is Thor's Cave in this limestone rock face. We've walked from Wetton Village today, which is the easiest place to get to this. Not sure how far it goes back. We're not going to find out, however. we haven't really got we haven't got the correct footwear to be able to do that. But if we look around, we can see some fantastic views of the Manifold Valley and the river, which is down the bottom. This is just to prove that my dad made it to the top of the viewpoint above Thor's Cave.
Whoa, it's a hell of a drop.
Don't jump.
I'm not going too far. There are some smaller caves just off this bit here. Is that looking a bit?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
It's not good. It doesn't go right the way back.
No.
A little way. Nice little shelter. This is just a short update to say that my next video will be published on Saturday the 2nd of May 2026 at 8 a.m. and that's the third and final part of us taking the Swamp Duck from Sawley Marina to Torksey Lock. So we leave Newark Castle Marina and make our way down the final part of the non-tidal Trent to Cromwell Lock, and then we go through Cromwell Lock and we are on the tidal Trent, and we make our way all the way down to Torksey Lock, and we're fortunate enough to be able to have enough water to go up the lock without having to wait too long, and that takes us to our new mooring for the Swamp Duck. So join us for that video on Saturday the 2nd of May 2026 at 8 a.m. I'd like to thank you for your continued support for the channel, and as always, do take care.